welcome back again to my YouTube channel. I'm your YouTube creator reactor from the Philippines and welcome. So for today's video guys, it's another video reaction of one of our favorite artists from Kazakhstan, Daneliya Tuleshova, as she covered the song of Adele titled Set Fire to the Rain, covered by Daneliya Tuleshova, and this was premiered April 22, 2022. And by the way, she is one of the talented young girl right now, and she joined Americans Got Talent, but unfortunately she did not win on that competition. But she's paving her own way on her career in this music industry, and she's gaining more attention right now because of her pure talent. She has a unique voice, and she's so beautiful. She's so young, but she's very professional. So without further ado guys, let's get started. It's only 2 minutes and 18 seconds video, and if you haven't subscribed on her YouTube channel, I will leave the video link of this video, and on my description you can check her other covers, especially her original song. She has an original song, so please check that also. So let's go. Oh, she's so gorgeous.
I let it fall.
Wow.
My heart, and as it fell, you rose to claim it. It was dark, and I was over until you kissed my lips and you saved me. My hands, they're strong, but my knees were far too weak to stand in your arms without falling to your feet. But there's a side to you that I never knew. All the things
I feel
you'd
this
say that were never true,
You know what,
never
since
true.
I
In the
heard her
games
voice,
you played, you would always win, always win. But I set fire to the rain. Watch it pour as I touch your face. Will it burn? Will I cry? 'Cause I heard it screaming out your name. Your name. When I lay with you, I could stay there and close my eyes. Feel you here forever. You and me together, nothing is better. I set
her voice
fire
is just
to
so
the
clean.
rain. Watch it pour as I touch your face. Will it burn? Will I cry? 'Cause I heard it screaming out your name. Your name, baby.
Beautiful ones. Wow. She's getting better and better. Wow, Daneliya. So please follow her on her social media accounts, guys. So that is Daneliya Tuleshova with the song titled Set Fire to the Rain by Adele. Oh my gosh. This is not the first time that she covered Adele's song. And yes, oh my gosh, that's the meaning of talent. And she's so gorgeous. And I really love this cover. She never failed to amaze and to surprise everyone, especially her followers. And she's getting better and better every time I watch her video. And time flies so fast from a young contestant, and now look at her. Oh my gosh, she's just so amazing. She's a real gem from Kazakhstan, and her voice, her beautiful face, and her beautiful personality amaze me as always. And again, she did a great job. Well done on this cover, and she put another unique flavor on it that makes this song more beautiful, and like she really owns the song. So I think that's all for this video guys, and I hope you enjoyed this video like I did. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and let's support Daneliya Tuleshova by subscribing on her YouTube channel, and also keep streaming guys and keep sharing her videos. So thank you so much everyone, and see you in my next one, and keep safe always guys. Bye.